Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install my custom player characters mod, because some of you had issues with it. And first we are following the download link in the video description. So just copy and paste it, press enter, and we are entering the let's say official mod page on Nexus Mods. So here is the descriptions, but we are interested in installation guide. As it stated, do not use mod manager or Vortex or whatever. Just prefer manual installation. It's better and won't break your game if you do everything as it everything correctly. So first make sure you have last next game version of the game and have both expansions installed. So here is my game in the Steam, and there is no update button, so it's up to date. And we can check that all DLCs, including Hearts of Stone and Blood and Wine, are installed. So it's all fine. And let me show, by the way, how to open game directory. It is here, installed files, browse, and the folder with game files will be opened. Alright, then download main custom player characters file. So it's 7-zip. Main file, it's the only one, so you press manual download. Here is again list of requirements. This is what we just checked in Steam, and this we will download a bit later. We download. I have already downloaded it to save the time. So here is the file. Then unpack the file into your game directory. So we open the archive and just drag and drop its contents into game directory. And doesn't matter. So the DLC contents go into DLC folder of game directory, and mods content goes into mods content of game directory. Here we can show, we can see 3 folders in archive and 3 folders are now in mods folder. So it's mod custom player characters, storage, and one-liners. It's shard utils by Aelto. So here's the structure. Normally it is one single content folder inside every folder. Well, and maybe readme files. The same we can check. It's official DLCs, Blood and Wine, the rest DLCs from 1 to 20, and episode 1, what means Hearts of Stone basically, and our DLC custom player characters, and single content folder inside it. So this is how it should be normally. So this is the third step, verify your installation, what we just checked. So the next step is install community patch shard imports, required for scripts to work. So we go here, as the mod is for next gen only, and we were sure that we have next gen installed, we use only next gen version and use manual download. So, and I have downloaded it. Yes, I have already it. So we just drag and drop contents of shard imports into your game directory again. And now it's one more folder, mod shard imports, in your mods folder. And again, it's single content folder inside it. So it's pretty simple to verify that you are doing it all fine. Alright, then just a bit. Then I recommended if you are going to play with female player characters, then install female voices for Geralt, which are not replacing Geralt's default voice lines, but adds, let's say, copies of them, which are specially processed to sound like female, and can be used by custom player characters mod if you choose it to use it. So here we follow the installation too. Select your language and voice type, download file, unpack contents, and verify installation. So here I downloaded Yennefer English version. There are 3 versions for English. It's Yennefer, Triss, and Ciri. Languages are independent, one from one, but for the same language, so they are overwriting one another. So if you install first Ciri, then Triss, the Triss will replace Ciri's. No need to remove anything, just overwrite the files. Agree to overwrite when the Windows Explorer will ask you to do this. So I have already Yennefer English downloaded. And here again, just drag and drop DLC folder. Yes, replace anything if it is asked. So 2 more folders, again with single content folder inside it. You may fail a bit if you drag and drop this way. As you can see, I'm doing it this way. So unpacking into the root of game directory and not inside the DLC directory, because this way it will be here, DLC inside of DLC folder. It's not correctly and shouldn't be so. It should be like this, like I showed before. So we are going there next. Install female Geralt armor models. Again, if you are going to play with female character. So yeah, so there is no installation guide, but it's pretty simple. Here is it. Just a single file with note about installation. Unpack its contents into a game DLC folder. So again, I have already it downloaded. And yes, just drag and drop into root of the game folder. And yeah, don't forget to endorse the mod later. I hope you will. And the last one, wildlife project for better cat appearances. So here we need only the whose cats file, but you can download the rest files if you wish. So manual download. And again, I have it downloaded already. Here it is yeah, to mod. So we open mods and drag and drop folders here. So 2 more folders in our mods folder, every one containing single content folder. So if you just do this way, it will create 2 DLC folder instead of DLC. It shouldn't be so. So we open DLC and DLC DHB creatures, intended to be so, and content single folder inside it again. You're ready, except one last step. Well, optional step to check if you have any of mods conflicting, like Brother in Arms, and you must check optional files for patches if you have installed any. And there are also various animation fixes files which are optional because they fix one thing but cause additional troubles, let's say so, because animations is not an easy part of modding. So launch script merger. Here is the fresh and automated edition, which I like to use. So I have already it installed. You can follow the installation instruction here. So let's launch it and check if there are any conflicts. No. And if you have any with already installed mods, other mods I mean, you just click create all script merges and follow the instructions later. Alright, let's launch the game to check. So yes, you should see this window with compiling scripts. And normally there are no any script compile errors. If they are, then you have messed something. As you can see, I have no errors. So let's launch this save. You will get the notification inside the game and Chameleon Potion right after you finished killing ghouls in White Orchard. It's the intro quest with Vesemir. So if you just started the new game, you won't get this, like this notification. So it means that you have installed it correctly. And yes, here is it. Chameleon Potion in your inventory. So you don't equip it like this. No. It says in the description, do not equip, just press consume. And here is the E button for me. I just press E button. Yes, and leave the inventory. And here's tutorial messages and player setup scene. So we can change to Witcher. Other tutorials. And change. Well, let's be a... No. It's this one. Here is it, it works. And now a bit of script errors which you may get because some users does constantly write me them. So the most frequent, this one. Property appearances exist but was not imported from C++ code. This means that you have messed with shard imports installation. I do not how, but you have messed it. It should be this one way. Mods, mod shard imports, content, and the folders inside. Pretty easy. Alright, the next one. Property combo status does not exist, and unknown type photo mode effects. What means that you have not updated your game to next gen or last next gen version, because photo mode was added in next gen and obviously something not okay with it. The next one, could not find function on HDR changed. That's about game old gen or not updated to last version again. And here's the brilliant one, broken mod script merger don't help. And he's posting error that my custom variable is not a member of game. What means that he did not make merges here in script conflicts. While he said that it doesn't help, but I don't know how is he trying to use it. So, but it's not all. Here we can see the first thing, the first error which I showed you already. Property appearances exist but was not imported, and again it's messed mod shard imports installation. So the man is so sure that the mode is broken, while I have showed you that it is not broken if you install everything correctly. And it's probably broken user. Yes. Goodbye.